This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Lisa Matheny. Take a look at this spacious manufactured home on over 1/4 acre of fenced property, 0.28. There is plenty of room for family gatherings in this open concept floor plan. While making meals, it is still easy to entertain with a clear view of the dining and family room just steps away. This home also features a split bedroom plan, with the large owner's suite on one side of the home and 2 guest bedrooms with guest bath on the opposite side. Enjoy your favorite beverage on the screened front or rear porch. Work on your projects in your very own workshop, electric connected. Love gardening or outdoor activities? There is plenty of space in your yard for all of your outdoor adventures. Put some love into this home to make it your very own oasis. Call today to make an appointment to take a tour before it's gone.